Welcome to the Essentials of Hotel Revenue Management. Today, we'll explore 5 key forecasting techniques that can help you set winning rates and occupancy targets. Let's dive in. First, we have historical data analysis. This technique is all about examining past booking trends to predict future demand. Look back at last year. Was there a spike in March? Maybe a local event boosted demand. By identifying these patterns, you can anticipate busy times and adjust rates accordingly. Imagine you're managing a coastal hotel. Last summer saw an 80% occupancy rate in July. This year, you could expect similar demand, maybe even more if beach tourism is trending. Historical data guides you in setting realistic targets. Next up is booking pace analysis. Here you monitor how quickly bookings come in for a specific date. If a big event is coming up and your rooms are filling faster than usual, you might consider increasing rates sooner. Say it's a month before New Year's, and you've already sold 60% of your rooms for December 31st. This early demand could mean you'll sell out, so adjusting prices early can maximize revenue. Third, market demand analysis. This technique requires looking beyond your own property and observing overall demand in your area. Major events, holidays, or even competitors' pricing strategies can all impact your hotel's demand. Imagine there's a food festival in town. Demand for rooms across the area could spike. Recognizing this, you might raise rates or implement minimum stay requirements to capture more revenue. Fourth is competitive set analysis. Here you track your competitors' rates and availability. If nearby hotels are nearly sold out, you may have room to raise prices if demand flows to you. Let's say your neighboring hotels have raised prices for the weekend, and you notice an increase in look-to-book ratios on your site. Matching their rates or setting your prices just below theirs could help attract budget-conscious guests without losing revenue. Finally, segment forecasting. Different guest segments behave differently. For instance, corporate guests may book last minute, while leisure travelers book months ahead. By forecasting demand for each segment, you can target them with tailored rates and packages. If you see a rise in corporate bookings for the next quarter, offering flexible weekday rates could attract more business travelers, while weekend discounts might appeal to leisure guests. So there you have it, 5 core forecasting techniques in hotel revenue management: historical data, booking pace, market demand, competitive set, and segment forecasting. By combining these, you can optimize your room rates, stay competitive, and ensure a solid revenue strategy. Ready to apply these techniques? Start analyzing today and watch your hotel revenue soar.